All right, hey class, this is Jerry, of course. This is going to be some review for percent increase and decrease because I know this stuff is can get a little complicated. Um, so let's take a. I'm going to review that worksheet that we did, and I know we went over a little bit of this in class, but not all of it. So let's take a look at a store raised and reduced some of its prices. Carton of milk went from $2 to $3. Laundry detergent went from $10 to $11. And it asks, the milk and the laundry detergent each went up by $1, but does that $1 increase seem equally significant in both cases? Okay, and what was the increase in terms of percent in each case? So let's take a look at the milk. So if you went up from $2 to $3, well, there's two ways to do this. To get the percent increase, one way you can do it is do 3 divided by 2. And that equals 1.5. But that is not just the increase, that also includes the original price. So in essence, this implies that it went up by 0.5. So really you just subtract 1, and then 0.5 equals 50%. So it went up by 50%. The other way to do it is you could just say, okay, it went up by $1 from $2, and that equals 0.5, which is equal to 50%. Okay, so now let's take a look at the laundry detergent. Okay, and so again, we can do this two ways. I prefer to just take the new price, which is 11, divide it by the old price, which is 10, and there we get 1.1, right? And so that implies that it went up by 0.1, which equals 10%. And again, the other way we could do it is we could just say, oh, well, it went up by $1, so we could just do 1 over 10, and so that would also give us 10%. So really, yeah, even though it went up $1 each time, it's not equally significant because the percentage is quite different. Now let's take a look at these tubs of makeup. Okay, so here the medium and large tubs of makeups went down by $10. Which one do you suggest to buy? What was the percent of sale on each tub? Okay, so let's first take a look at the medium. And so again, what I like to do is just say it went from $20 to 10. So we do it as 10 over 20. And here it doesn't matter because, I mean, we could do 20 minus 10 and we'd get 10. But again, this equals 0.5. So this means, and this is kind of confusing because what we do need to subtract this from 1. So, but we're going to get the same answer either way. 1 minus 0.5, so it went down by 1 minus 0.5, which still equals 0.5, which equals 50%. Okay, now that was a little confusing because it came out to 50% no matter what. So let's take a look at the large. Okay, so here we go. 15 over 25. Okay, this equals 0.6. So the new price is 60% of the old price, but that means it went down by 1 minus 0.6, which equals 0.4. So it went down by 40%. Okay, and then it says, which one do you suggest to buy your friend to buy? I don't know. I mean, you'd have to look at how much makeup they want. I don't know. Maybe they only want a medium-sized tub. Maybe they want a large-sized tub. Maybe, and you'd still have to check. Does makeup come in tubs? Wait, no, it's tube. Oh, a medium tube. Yeah, I thought that was anyway. A tub of makeup, that'd be okay. Anywho, I don't know. But you could say, well, the medium one is half off, but you'd have to still check how much it is per ounce and stuff. So I wouldn't be able to answer that question. Let's take a look at number 2. Are we on the screen here at number 2? Yeah, okay. Coco's makeup, which is my personal favorite kind of makeup, used to be sold in 4-ounce tubes, not tubs, now is sold in 5-ounce tubes for the same price. Amy says the label should read 25% more free, whereas Carolyn thinks it should read 20% more free. Who is right, who is wrong, and why? And this is the kind of thing you see at stores all the time, right? With like toothpaste. Now, 25% more. And then, of course, me being a math geek, I always check the ounces to make sure that they got it right. But let's take a look. So we went from 5, 4. So we went, our new amount is 5. Our old value is 4. And then this equals 1.25. So yeah, so this means it went up by 1. Well, so you take off the 1, so that means it went up by 0.25, which equals, am I still on the screen? Yeah, all right, wait, come here, camera. Which equals 25%. So yes, Amy says the label should read 25% more free. Yes, 25% more free. So I will pause it here, and then I will, even though we did the other side of this sheet in class, I still think it's pretty difficult. So I will make another video for that one. See ya!